Have you ever been watching an Instagram reel and wanted to pause it maybe to read something on screen or take a closer look but realized there's no pause button? You're not alone. Instagram reels don't come with a standard pause feature like normal videos. But there's actually a super simple way to pause a reel. All you have to do is press and hold anywhere on the screen while the reel is playing. As long as your finger is pressed down, the video will stay paused. Once you lift your finger, it will continue playing right where it left off. It's quick, it's easy, and it works on both iPhone and Android devices. Also, if you're watching a longer reel, typically 15 seconds or more, you'll see a thin progress bar at the bottom of the screen. You can tap and drag that bar left or right to rewind or fast forward through the video. That way, you don't have to rewatch the whole thing just to get back to a certain part. So even though Instagram doesn't give us an actual pause button, with this simple trick, you can easily pause, rewind, and take full control of your reel watching experience. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram and social media tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.